Welcome to our tutorial on how to add clickable link to your Instagram post. 1. Open your App Store/Play Store. 2. Search for Link My Photos. 3. Install this app. 4. Once the app is installed, open it and create your account by entering your email and password. 5. Now it will ask you to add an Instagram account to get started. 6. Click on Connect to Instagram and enter your Instagram username and password. 7. Now tap the login button. 8. Tick the media option and click Allow. 9. Now your Instagram account is linked with this app. 10. Select the post that you want to add the link to. 11. Paste the link and click Save. 12. The link is now added to your post. Congratulations! You have learned how to add clickable link to your Instagram post. Thank you for watching our guide.